Hello kids, today we will learn what is singular and plural with examples. When a noun refers to a single person, animal and thing, it is called singular. When a noun refers to many persons, animals and things, called plural. A singular noun can be changed into plural noun in many ways by adding s to the singular noun. Examples: ball, balls. Window, windows. Chair, chairs. Car, cars. Star, stars. Plant, plants. Sock, socks. Banana, bananas. Horse, horses. Lock, locks. Book, books. Table, tables. Tree, trees. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Cup, cups. Egg, eggs. Second way is by adding es to the singular noun ending in x, s, sh and ch. Example: bus, buses. Watch, watches. Fox, foxes. Brush, brushes. Third way is by changing y into ies to the singular noun ending in y and preceded by a consonant. Example: lady, ladies. Fly, flies. Fairy, fairies. Fourth way is by changing f or fe into ves to the singular noun ending in f or fe. Examples: loaf, loaves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Fifth one is by adding s to the singular noun ending in y but preceded by vowel. For example: key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. So today we have learned singular and plural. Bye bye.